Hey guys, OzGrillus here, and today we're going to show you how to add video commands to your stream on Streamlabs OBS and on OBS. And then we're going to have a little bonus thing where you can add your own videos to your stream at the hit of a button. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first about this channel is we do streaming tutorial videos on Streamlabs OBS, on Twitch, on OBS. We have a podcast called Talking Corner where we go over techniques where you can grow your stream and have a good time. So if any of that tickles your fancy, please hit the subscribe button. We've got plenty of videos out there, plenty more to come. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, so we have me here in Streamlabs OBS. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser and we're going to go to the Streamelements homepage. You just log in as normal on your Twitch, Mixer, Facebook, sorry, not Mixer anymore, YouTube, and it'll bring you to this screen here. Then we're going to go over to alerts and overlays, and we're going to go to themes gallery. This is not cheating on Streamlabs OBS, as you can use this for both Streamlabs OBS and Streamelements. So then we're going to go over to widgets, and we're going to go to video on command. We're going to create. You can add to your existing overlay if you're already on Streamelements, or if you're not, just go to create new overlay. We'll call it video command. If I can spell today. Then we'll go to seed theme in my overlays. Alright, I've got a few there. So we'll go to video command 1, which I just made then. Go to edit. There's rules and stuff here, instructions, so we're just going to delete that. We go to video on command here, and then we're going to go to settings, and it's got a video in here, video 1, which the command to start video would be !, show video 1, and it'll just be powered by Streamelements. So we don't really want that. So what we're going to do is go to change video. Alright, so I'm just going to add this video here, which is me singing The Witcher. So that'll probably get me demonetized. So we'll go to this Charmander one from Alpha Gaming. And we'll just do ! Charmander. To start it, you can change the video volume if you want. You can do another one there as well if you want. If you just have the video and no sound, you can upload whatever sound you want here. Quite easy. So Charmander one's in there now. So we'll play the video there. Now what we're going to do is the important bit. We're going to save it at the top right here. And then we're going to go over here to the link and go copy overlay URL. Then we're going to go back to Streamlabs. And we're going to go to our sources here. We're going to go add source. We're going to add a browser source. So we'll call it Charmander. And then you'll copy the URL into here. Now for the width and height, we're going to go 1920 and 1080, just so it covers the entire stream, even though that little bit of the video is just on the left. And then we're going to go done. To make sure it's above the display capture, as I'm sure you'll be doing anyway. I'm going to bring my chat over here so you can see it. And type in Charmander. And as you can see there, the video is playing on the stream. Just like that. So you can do that with any video. You know, I have a few different ones uploaded, so you just gotta have the video there ready to upload it to that, save it here, copy the URL, paste it into browser source. Obviously you can do the same in OBS as well, because you can add a browser source. So it doesn't matter if you're using Streamlabs OBS or OBS as well. You just need to go to the Streamelements site and do it this way. You can also do it on the Streamlabs chatbot. It's a bit more complicated to set all that up than just doing this, which is very easy. So that's how you do that. Alright guys, so just a bit of a self-promo plug here before we get to our bonus content, which is actually having videos. You can bring them up yourself using your Stream Deck or hotkeys. We'll get into that in a second. First of all though, if you want to catch my Twitch stream where you can ask any questions at all, it is going to be in the description below. as well as a link to my Patreon. Any support there is amazing. And thank you guys so much. Let's get into this bonus content. Alright, so what we're going to do for our bonus bit here is we are going to just add a video and play it with on you. So if something happens in your stream and you have a video, funny video that can pop up as it happens, you know, we want to be able to do something like that. So the chat can't activate it. Chat can activate these other ones, but we want this one to be done by yourself. So you go to sources and you would add a media source. Then you would add, so we'll do whatever, we'll go, let's do Charmander, we won't have Charmander, we'll do whatever video is on my desktop, we'll just go video. And we'll go local file. There we go, so it's just my OzGrillus Twitch trailer. You can loop it if you like, but it's going to be so we can activate it by a hotkey or Stream Deck. So that's it there. So we're going to go to Stream Deck. If you have a Stream Deck, you can use it this way. If you don't, I'm going to go over a way you can do it otherwise. We'll just go into this folder here. I've got no space there either. Yeah, we don't need this one. Alright, so go to here, go Streamlabs. Sorry, Streamlabs OBS. Go to source, put it in there. Call it video, whatever. Go to scenes, the scene. And then what we're going to do is go to test, because that's where it is, and video. Alright, so then we've got that there. So that's done there, and we just go like this, which will hide it. Hit it again, and it brings it up. Close it, hit it up as well. You can also do, if you don't have a Stream Deck, you can also do this with hotkeys. Unfortunately, I'm not super knowledgeable on the hotkeys, but check out my friend Dr. X Gaming's video on hotkeys. It goes over a lot more than just doing this media sources. It goes over changing scenes, everything as well, which is great if you don't have a Stream Deck and you don't want to spend the money on a Stream Deck. And in these hard times, you know, why would you want to spend the money on that? So if you don't have it, of course. So check out his video on hotkeys. That's just a cool way in your chat. Say, you know, if you do a fail or something, you have a nice fail GIF, you can just hit that button on your Stream Deck and it comes up. You know, it makes your stream a bit more entertaining. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Cheers. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, please like the video, share it to your friends. They can have video commands, so you could have some stuff to entertain you when they're dead in the game or something like that. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. It means a lot. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.